डियर व्यूवर, इस वीडियो में पहला क्वेश्चन है विच टेक्नोलॉजी इज़ यूज्ड इन कम्पैक्ट डिस्क्स. इट्स आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, लेज़र. Which technology is used in compact discs? Its answer is option D. Next question. Operating system editors and debuggers come under. Its answer is option A, system software. Next question. Which one is the low level language? Its answer is option C, assembly. Next question. A modulator is used to convert. Its answer is option A, digital signal into analog signal. So the last question in this video, which one is a dot matrix printer? Its answer is option C, impact printer. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही. मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.